Hello, I'm Jerry Ford, the beer review guy. This guy. So I'm going to do a comparison. This is for Dylan Overfors. He wanted me to do a Michelob Golden Light. That's how he put it. I wrote it down how he put it. I'm assuming that he meant Michelob Ultra Pure Gold, which is a light lager. So I'm assuming this is the one he's talking about, compared to Coors Light. Okay. I'm going to use Coors Light for my lettered one because I think Coors Light has been probably one of my. I like Coors, so I'm thinking this has been my favorite, or the one that I find that I prefer the most. I think out of the comparison videos. So I'm going to use my lettered one for this one. I can't remember. I know I've reviewed this. Pretty sure I have anyway. But I can't remember what I thought of it. So, Michelob Ultra Pure Gold Organic Light Lager. This is a 3.8%. Let's see, Coors Light is... What ABV is this thing? .2. 4.2 and 3.8. It's not. It's close enough. Okay, so let's get these poured. I sure wish I would leave some fingernail when I'm chewing on them, so I have something to use to get my finger up underneath those tabs. I don't know. It's Friday when I'm doing this, just in case I don't get to upload it today or this evening. It might be tomorrow. Well, that smells good. All right, there we go. Hey, those look about identical in color. Barley malt, corn syrup, hop extract. Okay, let's start with this Ultra Gold here, Ultra Pure. I like Michelob too. Michelob Lager was one of my go-to beers back in the late 80s, early 90s, mid 90s, somewhere in there. It's got a nice sweet aroma. Get that barley malt in there. Coors aroma is a little bit bigger on the aroma. Yeah, you get a little bit more sweetness and bigger aroma than you do on this one. Let's start with this Michelob. Light to medium carbonation burn. Excuse me. A medium sweetness to it. A little barley malt on the back end there. Barley malt bitterness, just a little bit. It's got about a medium. Light to medium body. decently flavorful. Okay, let's do the Coors Light. The Coors Light has a bigger flavor profile to it. The sweetness is a little bit higher. Barley malt is a little bit stronger, and you get the barley malts on the back end a little bit more too. I don't know if the organic part is messing with its flavors. Excuse me. I don't know if that affects it or not. It's good, but in my opinion, Coors Light is bigger flavor profile. I probably prefer it a little bit better. The body on this is light. So there we go. There's nothing on this one saying anything. Only information you have is the USD organic and that it's a light lager. Brewed with 100% renewable electricity from the sun. Huh. Electricity is one type of energy we use to brew. Huh. Okay. And 3.8% ABV, that's really low. I mean, some years back, it's probably 2017, 2018, somewhere around there, the laws in Oklahoma changed. Excuse me, where they could buy alcohol products from the grocery store. Excuse me again, and the convenience stores that are higher than 3.2. The 3.2% was the basic ABV for beers in grocery stores. You have to go to a liquor store to get anything higher on the ABV. So, yeah, Coors Light is better. The way this looks, I was like, that looks really good. I bet I really, really, really liked that one when I reviewed it. I mean, I probably, if I reviewed it by itself, I'm sure I probably did like it. But when you put it up against a giant like this one, yeah, it didn't hold its own. So anyway, I'm also gonna do this. I'm gonna make this a combo review type thing. Ronald Jenkins wanted me to do a review, add salt to a beer without lime, not a review. So let's just kind of see what some salt will do to this light beer right here. Let's just kind of do that. Hopefully Ronald doesn't mind sharing the review with Dylan Overfors, and Dylan Overfors doesn't mind sharing the review video with Ronald Jenkins. So yeah, I produced a little head with that salt in there. That salt kind of took away some of that that carbonation burn made it a little bit easier to drink. It actually made it a little bit more flavorful with that in it. And this is probably something that I would have done some years back, is added salt to my light beers anyway. Wayne too, my brother. So yeah. That's good. That's good. It's good like that. So there you go. It's Friday. I'm getting to do a comparison video. I like doing these. If I'm going to do these, I like doing them on Friday. So that worked out good. So there you go, Dylan Overfors and Ronald Jenkins. Hope you guys enjoyed the review. Not a whole lot more to say about these two, except for that Coors Light, to me personally, is more flavorful and better tasting than this one here. It might have just taken out a lot more ingredients to make it organic and to make it a light beer. I don't know, but there you go. Excuse me. Well, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. Let me know which one you would prefer, you think. We'll see you on the next one.